Hello guys, welcome back to the ESCAPADES. So in this video we're going to be talking on how to generate an NonVAT E-TIMS invoice on Ecitizen. So you'll have to log in into your Ecitizen account using your credentials, your ID and your password, and from there you're going to receive an OTP code either in your email or your text message. You're going to input the OTP code on the above section as shown below. Then from there we are going to enter into the landing page of Ecitizen, and we are going to go straight away to the Kenya Revenue Authority platform, and from there we'll just log in into the iTax or the KRA Ecitizen platform, and we are going to sign in on your far right depending on how you are watching this video. Once you are signed in into the ecitizen.kra.go.ke, you are going to input your PO box, your postal code of the region that you are in or the county that you are in. Then from there you're going to input the town as you can see below. Then you're going to proceed to next. It's going to bring you to this particular landing page whereby you can see it has file returns, payment, tax compliance, and for new users you'll have to first accept the terms and conditions for this particular page so that you can be registered into the eTIMS platform, so that you can be able to get the eTIMS invoice for the non-VAT eTIMS invoices. So here you can see manage your business seamlessly with eTIMS invoicing. So here you're going to just accept the terms and conditions, then you will just click on activate e-invoicing. Click on that and wait for a few minutes for it to be activated. Once it's activated, it's going to bring you to this particular landing page. As you can see, it's loading. It takes a few minutes. Sometimes it may bring an error, like mine. It brought a small error when it was trying to activate, and I tried once more, and the second time it activated. As you can see, it's loading and just waiting a few minutes and it's going to activate. So as we wait, you can see it has brought us to this particular eTIMS landing page whereby we can get the invoice, pro forma invoices, quotations, credit notes, and buyer incited purchases, and all those particular items. So in this particular video we're going to be creating a new invoice. So we are going to create new. We are going to click on create new. Then it will bring us to this particular section whereby we have to input the PIN of the company that we are invoicing. So for me, I'm going to input the PIN that the company PIN of the company that I am invoicing, that I'm providing a particular service or product for. So please note that this particular invoice is for non-VAT invoices. So I'll just have to put the particular PIN there. You can either put an individual PIN or an individual PIN. So for this case, the one that starts with P0 something is an individual, so you are going to select non-individual PIN. Then you're going to validate the PIN so that it can bring the company name of the client that you're trying to invoice. So as you can see, mine has refused for a few bits, so we're going to input another PIN. It's going to auto detect. So long as the company has a PIN registered, it's going to auto detect once you validate it. So let's continue. So let me put the PIN up here in the PIN of the customer, the person I'm trying to invoice this particular invoice. So let's put it, so it's P00. Make sure you have the correct PIN, and once you validate, it's supposed to bring the company name of the company that you are trying to invoice, the non-VAT invoice. So once you have put the PIN like that, you're just going to click on validate, and as you can see, it's a non-individual PIN. So just put in the PIN. So sometimes the system has a few glitches, but you will have to just excuse it but once in a while it's very fast. So as you can see, let's just put the pin, and we have put the pin and we have validated. As you can see, it has brought the company that I want to give the invoice for. So the only thing that I'm going to add in this particular section is their phone number. You can add their phone number and their email if you need to. Once you do that, you are going to come here and add item. Add item is the items that you want to invoice this company. So in this section, you can either add a service or a product. So for me, I'm going to add a product, which is business cards in the name of item. Then you also have to describe the name of the item right there. You're also going to have to write the sale price of one item, the quantity. Then it's going to auto multiply the quantity and the sale price, and it's going to bring you to this particular new page, as you can see right here, whereby it's giving you the name, description, quantity, the sale price, the discount if there is, and the total amount. So my quantity is 20, my sale price is 100, and the total amount is that. So as you can see, now we are coming to the create sale invoice. So to create this particular invoice, we are just going to click on create invoice on the upper right corner, and we are going to get our invoice once it's created. So as you invoice is shown below. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.